Students, to the students of standard 9, I welcome you to this class. We have been studying about geography, chapter number 4, climate, and in this chapter we have already discussed about the Indian climate, the factors that affect the Indian climate. We have also distinguished between weather and climate. In today's class we are going to mainly discuss about the onset and withdrawal of monsoons. Onset and withdrawal of monsoons. What does it mean by onset of monsoon, and what does it mean by the withdrawal of monsoon? When does it take place? From where? This everything we are going to discuss. So student, let me first tell you this: the onset of monsoon. The word onset means the arrival of monsoon. The word onset means the arrival of monsoon. It is also known by different names. For example, we call it the advancing monsoon. So it is also called as the advancing monsoon. So when we speak about the onset of monsoon, it is the arrival of monsoon. It is also called as the advancing monsoon. Now when does it happen, and when does it start, and from where does it start? So when we speak about the onset of monsoon, it is the uh, the advancing monsoon, or the starting monsoon. This happens the from the monsoon mainly starts from the two branches, from the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch. So as we were speaking about in the previous class, that the wind which carries the moisture, the wind that carries the moisture starts from the mainly from the Indian Ocean, and when it reaches to the southern tip of India, it divides into two branches. Now let me clear it to you. So the southwest part of India is having the Arabian Sea. The south is the southeast part of India having the Bay of Bengal, and at the south of India is the Indian Ocean. So these moisture laden winds, the winds, monsoon winds that carries the moisture, they they originate from the Indian Ocean, and then when reaches to the tip of the southern point of India, to the southern part of India, it divides into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. So this Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch, these are the two branches, and from two sides the monsoon enters into India. The wind carries the monsoon and the rainfall takes place in India. So we were speaking about the advancing monsoon, the onset monsoon. Advancing monsoon is the starting of monsoon. It is the beginning of monsoon in the month of June and July. So month of June is the month where the rain starts. Now let me tell you some of the things regarding this advancing or the onset of monsoon. The advancing monsoon, when the monsoon starts in the month of June, it is the starting of the monsoon or the onset of monsoon or the advancing monsoon. Now in the first week of June, the rain that starts from the Arabian Sea branch and goes to the Kerala, in the Kerala states of Kerala, the Arabian Sea branch reaches here, and in the first week of monsoon there is a rainfall. This rainfall, there is a sudden starting of the rainfall, and this heavy rainfall which continues for few days, and that is called the burst of monsoon. So these things are all related. The burst of monsoon. So onset of monsoon, I simply want to tell you that this is the beginning of the monsoon, it is the starting of the monsoon from the month of June and July. Whereas withdrawal of monsoon, it is also called as the retreating monsoon or the returning of the monsoon. As I told you, the monsoon starts from the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. From the Arabian Sea, from the Bay of Bengal branch, the first monsoon reaches to the states of Assam and northeastern parts. So from the Bay of Bengal, the monsoon goes to the northeastern parts to Assam and those. But because of the hills and mountains at the northeastern sides, and therefore after giving rainfall to this, the monsoon changes its direction and goes to the north part of India, because the wind is not able to cross the hills and mountains at the northeastern parts, and therefore first the Bay of Bengal branch carries the rain to Assam and those areas in the northeast, and then the wind returns to changes its direction and goes to the north part and gives the rainfall in these areas. Whereas the rain that starts from the Arabian Sea branch, it is the southwest monsoon arrives on the south part of the peninsula in the early June. To south part of peninsula, as I told you, in the Kerala, the first week of June, the rain starts from the Arabian Sea branch, and then it reaches to Mumbai. It reaches to these coastal areas of Mumbai, and then it goes to the northwestern parts of India, giving rainfall in this area. So in this way, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch starts the monsoon wind carries the rain and gives the rainfall to different parts of India. That is the advancing monsoon, and it happens in the month of June and July. But then from the month of September, the monsoon starts retreating. It starts returning. The monsoon starts returning. Okay, and that is called the retreating monsoon. It is also called as the withdrawal of monsoon. The monsoon returns in this month of from September and continues till December. So that is called retreating monsoon or the withdrawal of monsoon. Withdrawal of monsoon is also called as the retreating monsoon or the returning of the monsoon. The returning of the monsoon, as I told you, the north part of India is blocked by the Himalayan mountain chain. So the northern part of India and the northeastern parts of India is having the Himalayan mountain range, and it is working as a wall, and therefore the monsoon wind is not able to cross India. Monsoon wind is not able to cross India, and therefore the wind returns. The wind returns along with the rains, and then it is called the retreating monsoon. And because of this retreating monsoon, the different parts of India also receives the rainfall during the time of returning of the monsoon. So that is all about the withdrawal, the onset and the withdrawal of monsoon. Okay, now onset of monsoon, I have already told you, this is the starting of monsoon from the month of June and July. The burst of monsoon. Now, this burst of monsoon is related with the advancing monsoon or the onset of monsoon. Burst of monsoon. What is the burst of monsoon? B-U-R-S-T, burst of monsoon. When the rain starts in the first week of the June in the south part of India, especially in Kerala, the first week of June, as I told you, there is a sudden break of monsoon. There is a sudden starting of the monsoon, and this monsoon starts with the heavy rainfall, which continues for few days. So sudden starting of the monsoon with the heavy rainfall continues for 2 to 3 days, and that is called the burst of monsoon. Okay, once again I am repeating, what is a burst of monsoon? The sudden starting of the monsoon with the heavy rainfall which continues for few days, and that is called the burst of monsoon. What is a break of monsoon? What is a break of monsoon? The break of monsoon means when it is the failure of the monsoon wind to bring the rainfall. when the monsoon season starts, the rainy season have already started, but the failure of the monsoon wind, as I told you, the monsoon wind carries the rain from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branch. So when there is a failure of the monsoon wind, it is the failure of the monsoon wind to bring the rainfall in the monsoon season, and that is called break of monsoon. For rainy season has started, but there is no rainfall for many days, so that is called the break of monsoon. So I hope you understood burst and the break of monsoon. Burst of monsoon means sudden starting of the rainfall, heavy rainfall, and which continues for few days, and that is called burst of monsoon. But when the failure of the monsoon to bring the rainfall in the monsoon season, and that is called break of monsoon. Now we are coming to the withdrawal of monsoon or the retreating monsoon. As I was telling you that withdrawal, how this withdrawal take place. So I told you advancing monsoon. The advancing monsoon starts from the Arabian Sea branch. It starts from the Kerala and then goes to the coast of Mumbai coast, and then goes to the northwestern parts in Rajasthan and some parts, and then Bay of Bengal branch. The rain goes to in the Assam in the first weeks of June, or in the mid, and then goes to the middle of the June. The midst of the June reaches to the north part of India, and then gives the rainfall. But when did this retreating monsoon take place? So I told you the retreating monsoon or the withdrawal of monsoon take place from the month of September. From the month of September, rain starts coming back, returning back from the north part of India. So this retreating monsoon, it begins with returning from the month of September and November. So first the monsoon returns from the north part of India, from the states of Punjab and these places. From the states of Punjab and this the southernmost part of India, the monsoon returns from the month of September. From the month of September, the monsoon returns from the states of Punjab and north part of India. Then monsoon returns from the middle part of India by the October. By the October, the monsoon returns from the middle part of India or from the peninsular part of India. So as I told you, the monsoon returns from the Punjab and the north part of India from the September, and then from middle of October, October, the monsoon returns from the middle part of India or the peninsular part of India, and then in the month of November and December, the monsoon finally returns from the southwest part of India. So in this way, the monsoon returns from India, and that is called retreating or the withdrawal of monsoon. So I hope you understood, students. Apart from this, the next things that we going to study is the cycle of season. The next things that we study from this chapter is the last thing is this annual cycle of seasons. So we study that there is a main four seasons mentioned in your book. There are the four annual cycle of season. They are hot weather seasons, cold weather seasons, advancing monsoon season, and retreating monsoon season. These are the four cycle of annual cycle of season. So that's all from this chapter, student. I hope you understood these things about the climate of India. Especially we have studied about the climate of India. So that's all. Thank you very much for this class.